You know, I really love a burrito. One thing I don't like about it, just too many calories for the amount of protein that I really want. So what can we do about it? Well, we can cut the tortilla, we can cut a lot of the seed oils, but we still want a tasty, nutrient-dense burrito-ish that we can eat on the go. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use lentils instead of rice. We've got some pinto beans. Of course, we're gonna use chicken. We've got some avocado, red onion, and habanero pepper. And instead of the tortilla, we're gonna use romaine hearts, lettuce. So let's get all of this out, put it together, and see what we can make. To keep this really simple, I'm just gonna chop everything, prepare it, put it into our mixing bowl, add some sauce, and then get it into our wrap. So let's get started on that. These are store-bought lentils, steamed, high in fiber, helps with our digestive system. It's the one thing that we tend not to get, especially if we're eating out, fiber. A lot of these fast food type meals lack the necessary fiber. So by preparing things freshly, we get that fiber in, and just as a number, we want to aim for about 15-20 grams of fiber a day. Next, we put our beans in. We want to keep our calories as low as possible while still keeping the protein and the flavor and the taste up high. Get our onion in. Now, I've been doing meal prep for about 20 years now, ever since I was doing my first competitions way back when. But for something like this, I mean, we're looking at 300 calories. Protein, 40, 45, even 50 grams of protein. So really it's a superfood packed with protein, but we're also getting those antioxidants, healthy fats, the vitamins, the minerals that we need as well. That's the avocado in. So before we've even added our chicken, we've got in there our red onion, lentils, pinto beans, habanero pepper, and avocado. This is gonna provide our body with nutrients that we're not necessarily gonna get from our fast food alternatives. So this right here is key. It also means that we can mix it up with different proteins, fish, tuna, prawns, chicken, turkey, beef, and so we can still use the same ingredients, mixing up only one or two items to get that variation that I said is so important to maintain such a healthy, balanced, nutritional approach. On with our protein. For this, we're using chicken. Yes, pre-cooked chicken, but it's still just chicken. Now, even though I may not be competing on stage, I'm still taking in close to 3,000 calories a day, making sure that about 40% of those calories are coming from protein. Now, this right here already provides us with all the nutrition that we need for that one meal. Like I said at the beginning, I love me a good burrito. So whilst we can put this into a tortilla wrap it up and eat it and still get all of that same nutrition plus the added carbohydrates, sugars from the tortilla, I want to keep this as nutrient dense as I can. So I'm not gonna use the tortilla, but I am gonna use our romaine heart lettuce wraps. But before I add that, we're gonna add the special sauce. This is a spicy garlic parmesan. It's only 10 calories per serving, 1 gram of sugar, so it's really low calorie, it's keto friendly. It's gonna really make this tortilla-less burrito taste great. So I'll show you just how much we're putting in. 1 tablespoon, 2, that's 20 calories. We've got at least 2 meals in here, so I'm gonna add a third one in. And then mix all of this around. Now I'm gonna use a Tupperware container here. Perfect size as well. We've got at least 4 there. We put 2 chicken breasts in here, so that's at least about 55 grams of protein. So we're gonna get a solid 1 meal out from this. If I was making this at nighttime, really easy and simple to then make a little bit extra for the next day. Put it in the fridge overnight, take it with me, work, school, just out wherever I need to be. All I would do is scoop one out and get straight into it. But there we have it. Real simple hack to cut the calories, cut those carbohydrates, the sugars, the extra fats, cut out those seed oils, and thanks to this, packed with flavor. In fact, a little drizzle over again. And that is how we're able to stay on top of our protein needs without over consuming too many calories so that we can fuel the muscle and burn the fat. If you want to find out more about the steps for this recipe, including all the ingredients and the nutritional values, I'll include them in the description below, along with more information about this company and where you can find these delicious low-calorie sauces to spice up your meals. All right, until next time, keep eating healthy, keep training hard, and I'll see you back here on the next video. Take care.